Alright, now Samsung has produced some great flagship phones. Some phones did really well, some phones were just not up to the mark. If you ask me which is the best flagship phone Samsung has ever produced till date, my answer has always been the legendary Note 9. But after the launch of the S23 Ultra, I feel that this is the best Samsung has ever produced till date. And I am not saying this because this is the latest flagship with latest specifications. There are some important reasons to buy this phone today or even next year in 2024. This phone is the one you should pick. I will tell you the reasons in a bit. By the way, if you own a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, share your thoughts about this phone in the comment section after watching this quick video. Now, almost all the flagship phones, may it be from Apple, OnePlus, Google, Xiaomi, Oppo, etc., they all have the latest specifications. The best of the screen, the highest resolutions possible, the latest chipsets, packed with a bunch of good camera systems. These are commonly available on all these phones and they are supposed to have them. After all, they are flagship phones. The S23 Ultra packs all of that like other flagship phones. However, this phone has something more to it. A more convincing feeling when I hold it makes me feel that yes, I have the best phone in the world right now. I have my reasons for this and I am sure these reasons will compel you to buy this phone soon. The first and the best thing about this phone is the battery life. Yes, I know the latest iPhone has been the champ when it comes to battery performance, but this phone being an Android device which comes with one of the highest performing chips and having such an incredible large gorgeous display on which the contents look so beautiful can offer the best battery performance. On a moderate usage on performance mode, this can produce 8 to 9 hours of screen on time, and on light performance mode we can get 9 to 9.5 hours of screen on time in real life scenarios. This of course depends on various factors and the performance can vary. However, in my opinion, this phone is a beast when it comes to battery performance. The next important aspect is the heat management, battery management and performance management. Longer hours of graphic intensive gaming session does not affect this phone. The heat is well contained and we can comfortably play the game for longer period of time. The phone does throttle anywhere around 70%. However, the heat on the body of this phone doesn't go above 42 degrees, which means the temperature, battery performance and the device operation performance are very well balanced on this phone, unlike other flagships. Even during 4K 60 FPS video recording for longer durations, the phone manages the heat pretty well. This is what makes the phone nearly perfect, isn't it? Now, the next best part about this phone is the software experience. Yes, I feel that the Samsung's One UI is the most feature-rich, highly customizable, most productive version of Android I have ever seen on a phone. Any other non-Samsung phones cannot come close to this beast when it comes to operating system. I have posted tons of videos about One UI, the hidden features, etc. If you're a subscriber, you would know it already. But if you're not a subscriber yet, do subscribe to know more about this phone. This phone can deliver best multitasking experience, tons of customization options through GoodLock application, which has some incredible modules. We have Bixby routine to automate the phone as per our requirements. Many more features makes the UI the best on any phone. We have just received the latest Android 14 update and this is eligible for another 3 years of major Android upgrades and another 4 years of security updates. So even if you buy this phone next year, you will have good enough software updates. Apart from these important aspects, this phone of course offers the best of the cameras. It has an integrated S Pen with which you can do a lot more than just taking notes like air actions, taking selfies, etc. This offers Samsung DeX to convert the mobile's operating system into a fully blown PC experience on a monitor. Samsung's keyboard offers the best features you would have never seen on any phones. The gaming and media experience is incredible. There are tons of reasons to buy this phone today. Now, having said all this is a pretty expensive phone, isn't it? You may not want to spend that kind of money on this phone right away. So if you are not willing to buy it this year, you can even buy this next year, as this phone will be available at discounted prices during the sales season. Same thing has happened to the previous flagships of Samsung. The subsequent year of launch, you will see some great deals and that is the time you should buy this particular phone. However, if you don't mind spending right away, I would suggest you to just go ahead and pick this up without having a second thought. That's about it. I just want to let you know guys that this is not a sponsored video. This is my genuine opinion about this incredible phone from Samsung. This is a future-proof phone, at least for the next 4 years. That's all I have here. Hope you did subscribe to the channel. Press that like button if you like what you see on the channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.